Good afternoon, Charlene Davis here, and I wanted to do a quick overview of $25 one-up. It is getting to be that time of the year where we're starting to think about Christmas and extra expenses and extra money that we're going to have to spend that maybe you just don't have. And so it really stresses you out about how am I going to buy presents, if I'm even going to be able to afford anything. Will my kids have anything under the tree this year? And if they do, am I going to have to put it on a credit card? And then am I still going to be paying that off 6 months from now? These are all the things that a typical person thinks about at this time of the year, and Christmas is supposed to be awesome, and most of us are really stressed out by that. So what are you going to do to increase your cash flow to offset some of those expenses? So if you could be generating an extra $100 a week or $200 or $500 a week, that would definitely help you with your Christmas expenses. What comes after that? It might be Easter, back to school, summer vacations, all of those things that you could start generating an income for now and not have to worry about how we're going to pay for those things later. Wouldn't it be awesome if you just had the cash to be able to go to the store and do your Christmas shopping, or go online and purchase the presents you need knowing that you have the money in your account today? Well, let me tell you how myself and many of our team is generating an income through a program called $25 one-up. I've been working online for about 1.5 years, and like most online marketers, I struggled. I struggled for a while trying to find someone that could teach me, help me, show me, and find something that was simple. There's a lot of programs out there that are very complicated and hard for the beginner to do and earn any type of income doing it. So first, this is like a business in a box. It gives you everything that you need in one location to be successful. It gives you training in your back office, and let me go to a little bit of that. We go through Facebook training. First, I'm going to go here. Oops. We go into Facebook training, how to create ads on Facebook, how to post on Facebook, how to get engagement on Facebook. So there's about 12 or 14 different training video modules in here to help you get started. YouTube. Anybody who's making a significant amount of money online has a YouTube channel, and they have subscribers, and they're building a presence on YouTube. If there's something you want to know how to do today, where are people going? They are going to YouTube. I go to YouTube for everything. I'm working with my 5th grader on math, and she's working on fractions. I did fractions a really long time ago. I'm not a math whiz, so where did I go? I went to YouTube to figure out how to help her with her homework. Instagram. You don't want to do all of your marketing in one basket. So once you learn maybe Facebook, or maybe you're an Instagram user, maybe you prefer Instagram, you can learn how to promote your business there. So there is a lot of training that is in this business, along with how to brand yourself, how to post ads online, how to engage with people. All of these things are done in the back office. So you have the training that you need, okay? The second thing is you have a built-in funnel. So I mentioned this is a business in a box. So first you have to go through the training. Then it teaches you how to generate leads by posting ads, and those leads need to go into your funnel. Well, what is a funnel? A funnel is simply something where someone goes online and enters their contact information. So this is your lead capture page. You've probably seen many of these before. So someone's going to go and they're going to enter their information, and they're going to watch a video. When they enter their information, that information is going to go into your contacts page in your back office under your contacts, okay? So that's the first page of the funnel. The second page of the funnel is just simply they've got to get the information. So here is the video. How does the business work? How do people get paid? All of that is done in the video. So the selling and telling is done for you, okay? After the contact is in your contacts area, the system has an automated email responder where it will send out emails to those prospects who didn't get started right away. Because most people do not start the first time they watch a video. They may have to see it a few times or engage with you or your emails to really get started, okay? So the first thing we talked about is the training. Then we have the pre-done, already built for you funnels. We have a contacts management area. Then we have an email autoresponder, all done for you in a nice little box, so business in a box. And it's easy for you to understand. You don't have to go out right away and get all these other tools and all these other expensive things to get started. You can get started with $25 one up for a one-time fee, whatever level you choose to get started at. So there are 4 levels, the first one being gold, and the gold is a $25 fee to get started, and at that level you will get all of your ads, your ad copy, and a mindset training, and a number of other trainings, kind of like your entry level package. We recommend that people at least get started at Platinum. Platinum is where you get all the YouTube, the Facebook, and the Instagram training, and that is $100. So to get started, it would be hosting is $10, gold is $25, platinum is $100. So to be at platinum, it's $135 to get started. You can earn that back in your first week. If you get to the training right away and you're posting some ads and getting right into the nitty-gritty, you can earn that back in your first week. And then you've broken even, and then everything after that is just profit, okay? So there's never a monthly fee that goes along with that. You don't have to worry about where am I going to come up with another $30 or $40 every single month to stay active in the program. We don't have that here. Then people can choose to upgrade. If they don't come in all in right away at the enterprise level, you can upgrade as you go. So get started where you can. Platinum is where you definitely want to be because you can earn $100 commissions here. Gold level, you're only earning $25 commissions. You have to have an awful lot of $25 commissions to really change your economy. But at the platinum level, hey, now we're making $100 commissions here. A couple of those a week can really change a person's situation. Most people who are living paycheck to paycheck are only about $300 to $500 away from filing for bankruptcy. So if you are making a couple extra $100 a week, hey, now I can pay my cell phone bill or my car payment. Okay, that really starts to make a difference. The diamond level is $250. The enterprise level is $500. If you get started at enterprise right out of the gate, you get all the other levels for no other cost. It's just $500 plus the admin fee, which I think is $25 or $50. Okay, that's it. Okay, and then we have the systems training here in the back office, which is some additional training into what I showed you before, how to set up your profile, how we get paid, how to use your links, how to set up your autoresponder, all of those different types of training, which they're all 3 to 5 minute videos, so they are super easy to do to get started. So what I'm going to tell you is, if you got started now, you could earn and make enough money to help you pay for Christmas. What if you had an extra $1,000 to be able to spend on Christmas? So don't wait. Get started. And every day this gets a little bit easier and gets better. So let's earn $1,000 or $2,000 for Christmas. Then in January, then we can start earning more money and growing the program so you're making even more money. So whatever your goal is, maybe it's not money, maybe you want to be home with your children or be able to take a vacation, or you just are looking for time freedom because you're tired of your 9 to 5. Whatever that may be, you can achieve online, and you can achieve it with this program, okay? So let me show you a few people who are having success with this. Lots of people are having success with our program here. Manny here, he's been with the program, I want to say about 3 weeks now, and he is currently at $1,800 in the last 30 days, okay? Lots of new members coming in. Let's see. This gentleman, $100 yesterday. That is a nice payday. And the day before that, it was $400 that he made. $400. Here's a picture of myself where just here a couple of days ago, it was $150 day for me. Let's scroll down, find a couple of our other members here. This gentleman is brand new, I believe, and he made $125, $150 in his first week. This guy's killing it. He's been doing this for about 4 months, and he's earning anywhere from $400 to $500 per day. But again, you know, some of these folks that are earning more money, they have a little bit more experience online. So I do want you to know there can be a learning curve, but consistency is key to this or any other business. Get through the training and start doing it every single day, and you too will see results rather quickly. This guy's talking about his leads and how he was on his website and he saw his name come up where he earned $100, so that's kind of cool. Let me see if I can't find anybody else down here. Shayna here a couple weeks ago posted that she had earned $125. Got some new members coming in. So there are a lot of people earning money consistently if you are willing to do the work. Okay. Go back to my back office here. Okay. Let me see if I can't show you a couple of results posts that I did here. So these, I was just posting some results for other people to see what's possible, you know, and these are all different people earning money, you know, whether it's $50 or $100, but she did $450 in 7 days. What would that do for you? $500 in 1 day. Let me find another one here. Same here, $125 in one day she earned. This is the same person. Here's a couple of new people. These people were new within their first week. $125 here and $25 here, and they do all add up. And not to toot my own horn, but I've never really been on the leaderboard for anything. Oops, and you can't really tell, but up here it said last 7 days. Here it is, last 7 days. And I was number 8. So that's pretty exciting. Like I said, I've never been on the leaderboard for anything, so that's way cool. So you can make this business what you want to make it and earn what you want to earn if you are willing to put in the work. So subscribe to my channel. Down below, connect with me on Facebook. There will also be a link for you to get started and watch the video and get the information. And on my team, I do an initial coaching call with you to get you started. We'll do a screen share. Get your back office set up. You'll be part of our private Facebook group, and let's do this thing together. And I look forward to working with you. So please, again, subscribe to my channel, and I hope you have yourself a great afternoon. Take care.